Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're looking at two espresso machines, huh? The Breville Barista Pro and the De'Longhi Eletta Deluxe. Looks like they both have built-in grinders, which is cool.
Yeah, that's a must-have for me. Freshly ground beans make all the difference. The Breville uses a conical burr grinder, which is generally considered better for consistent grind size. Does the De'Longhi specify?
It just says steel burr grinder. So yeah, the Breville might have a slight edge there. But look at the dimensions. The De'Longhi is taller, at 18.3 inches, compared to the Breville's 16. Could be a problem fitting under some cabinets.
Good point. I hadn't thought about that. What about the water tank? Bigger is better, right?
Definitely. The Breville holds 67 ounces, which is pretty decent. I don't see the water tank size listed for the De'Longhi.
That's a bit of an oversight. Okay, milk frothing. How do they compare?
The Breville has a manual microfoam milk texturing steam wand, so you're in control. The De'Longhi has an integrated milk carafe with their Lotta Crema system, automatic frothing.
Ah, manual versus automatic. That's a big difference. I prefer manual. I like feeling like a real barista, and I can get the foam just how I like it. But if you don't want to learn and just want it done for you, the De'Longhi is good.
I get that. The Breville also boasts a super fast 3-second heat-up time thanks to its thermojet system.
Wow, 3 seconds? That's impressive. Anything on the De'Longhi's heat-up time?
Nope, nothing listed. Another plus for the Breville is the LCD display. It shows grinding and extracting progress.
Fancy. The De'Longhi just mentions easy-to-use controls, which is vague. Looks like the De'Longhi is a renewed product, which might explain the lack of detail.
Good catch. And that explains the price difference. The Breville is around $600 to $80.
I see the De'Longhi is currently unavailable, and the Amazon page doesn't list the price, which is a bit of a red flag, and the Breville also has a 2-year warranty.
Looks like the Breville wins on features and new condition. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.